Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Today, we have a special video for you. Vybz Kartel did a radio interview on Fyah 105. Shout out to them. But in the interview, the world boss make we know say, yo, it's difficult to choose one of his favorite songs because he has so many. Also, he has a different song for a different mood, which we understand. The boss also shout out Jamal, new song, Ballondor. Him say it's the wickedest song right now. He also breaks down how he orchestrates his songs without a book and pen, of course. He explains his girl songs, gun songs, happy songs, and sad songs. He explains how his alien brain works. He also had time to explain why Skillibeng and Chronicler take over dancehall right now with their flows and lyricism. It's a very informative video, so just watch it in its entirety. Remember, we're growing this channel, so please subscribe if you haven't already.
What I'm saying, none other than the teacher himself, Mr. Vybz Kartel, Mr. Adija Plummer. You understand what I'm saying in the building? So we left off with Vybz Kartel. We're asking you what was your favorite Vybz Kartel song. You said this morning you were in a throwback kind of.
Yeah, Jersey vibes.
A Jersey kind of vibes.
Yeah.
All right. So in general though, besides you know, you have to be like in a mood. Like, do you have a Kartel song that you go back and listen to?
No, them too many, too numerous, and all of them bring out different moods and bring out different vibes. You know what I mean? So that's why I said, depending on the mood I'm in, I go listen to them set a Kartel.
So did you mean to have so many different categories inside to you, like Black Kartel, White Kartel? People have you know, the vacation cartel. People have like, the no cartel. Then on top of that, you got like the motivational music cartel,
yes,
like you know, the without money.
Yeah, man. And thank you, Jamie. We wake up this morning and them song there.
Yeah, and like, did you mean for you to be categorized like that? Or?
No. I just speak my truth, and that's it. Like I said, I can be in a mood and I'm at the studio and say, not nice. More something mellow today.
Okay.
And he would just play already, man. The next thing you know, thank you, Jamie, wake up this morning. You understand?
Yeah.
So it just depends on the mood me in. And I'm going to speak to that.
Okay.
On a beat.
All right. So the girl song them now, Vybz Kartel. Like, let me tell you something. I have a playlist, honey, and that playlist is, you know, it's got me through a lot. You understand what I'm saying? Like, them mix day is my thing. So
yes.
the girl song them now in a genre that's so heavily focused on like badman song or like you know, like gunman badman songs or like cater to the man with dancing and stuff. How important it was for you to give that balance? Was it a time where it was a lot of complaining? Because you have an era where it's like hella like girl tune that you were putting out.
No, I just do it well. You know what I mean? So I do it well because initially, you know, remember. Ninja Man, growing up, Ninja Man, I one of my favorite DJ.
Right.
And then some used to love the write gun lyrics as a unknown young artist.
Right.
Then Buju Banton come along.
Yeah.
And then Buju Banton now influenced me along the path of the girls. I mean, when Buju come out, you know, man, the girl them in response are holy and solely, you know. Like me, I tell TJ, I'm straight. I went Buju Ross. Him kind of ease off and you know, and go till Shiloh. But before till Shiloh, man, till Sharon, till Susie, till Jennifer, So them they are my two biggest influences. So me get that really the concept that like for represent for the girl them right through from Buju.
Okay, so when
Buju.
When you first Buju.
Yeah, the first.
So when you do a girl tune on one rhythm,
yes.
Why isn't it never enough? You gotta do more than one girl song on a rhythm.
That me I tell her that's the vibe and the energy and I'm like I said, I love music, so me I go deliver. You know what I mean? And sometimes it's not a girl song. One is a girl song, one is a girlish song. So it represents the unisex. It represents for the girl and it represents for the man as well.
You just have lyrics overload.
Yeah, man, I have nothing for you. We just give it to you. You get a song, you get a song, everybody get a song. You know what I mean? So that's how it go.
Alright, I have a question for you. I already know the answer, but I'm going to ask the question. Anyway,
yes.
As a lyricist, Drake or Kendrick?
Alright, straight up. Me, I mean, no nobody come for me. A Drake.
As a lyricist.
Me. All right. I mean, as a lyricist. I mean. Boy, I love music, you know. I love music. So, me know Kendrick lyrical. I give him that. But Drake is no pushover either.
No.
I mean, like Drake. No. I mean, may I always tell people, you have to strike a balance between art and commerce. Because at the end of the day, we do it because we love art, but we also do it to make money.
Exactly.
So you have to strike a balance between art and commerce. I just think Drake
has been more successful.
Commercially.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And like Drake give away 15, 16 at the baddest summer.
Of course.
You know what I mean? We can't deny that. So, I don't know. I not go, Mr. Loyalist, you know, so. I go say Drake, yeah, man. I go say Drake, yeah.
Alright, so speaking about lyrics, right?
Yes.
Now, in my head, right, we've, people on TikTok are listening on Fyah right now. Like, we've all heard Vybz Kartel songs. We've all listened to it. But there have been times where, like, may I wash the plate, may I bid, and I'm like listening.
One line.
And I'm like, did he just say what he just said?
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Did he get back my visa, travel with a corn, and I'm just like, wait, hold up.
As a
teacher, you produce that, you know.
As a lyricist, that's what they do.
Yeah, but I'm saying you hear it, but you gotta listen to it. Like this rhythm right here, the Lyricist.
This is one of your bodies.
And I tried to do it on a Karaoke Friday, and just the lyrics right here, right?
Yes.
I find the metaphors with Jay-Z, them and Biggie Miss, and chart them up like winter fresh and spit them out like Wrigley's.
Yes.
Like what? What? And you mean to tell me and tell everybody listening right now, you don't got a pen and a piece of paper in the studio?
No,
not even a post-it note? Come on, teacher, come on.
Trust me, I don't need it.
To write songs like this?
Yeah,
you don't have a pen and a paper?
No, I've been writing for so many years, I know if you do it without the pen and the paper. And that, remember once you do something long enough, it becomes second nature. Yeah, so I don't need for. Even when we do make universe, me a seeker in and out the universe. 4-dimension method that. 4-dimension tesseract. Metamorphic metaphors cartel, a force panting panic membrane. The symphony is maintained, the dopamine, the serotonin. Activating endorphin. Make you think the girl them love cartel and always are endorsing. Me not, I just boom off at the top.
Ain't no way.
Yeah,
I'm still trying to...
me not write it. And I left on me use, so I'm not even did right anyway.
You see what I'm talking? Like how? I mean, this is the presence.
As a lefty, how can you write?
Alien brain.
That's what I'm saying. The presence of greatness. Now, I don't even want to ask you this, but I'm gonna ask anyway. For giggles.
Yes.
Is there any artist right now that you think, present or alive, that you think is close to your meds when it comes to writing, when it comes to flow, when it comes to just like your thought process on how you do things? Is there anybody that you can say?
One heap of bad artists. Me name out my top 5 lyricists ready here, and in it, I put Chronicler and Skilly Bang. Mother said them two youth there, them really do some song with me have to pause and play it back, Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man. So them two youth, them mother say still.
Okay.
But I mean, you have only part of bad lyricists out. I mean, I take no from a Massacre bad too.
Yeah.
Fully bad. As I say, Donia, when him ready, because him have a time when him just take with himself and we not hear nothing. But when him ready, him deliver like DHL, So yeah, man.
Yeah, we'll go couple.
Bodies. Yeah,
Alright, so you named out like a 1 and 2 dancehall artists. What do you think about dancehall right now?
I love dancehall right now. My favorite, right now, I listen to Ballondor by Jamal. I mean, I know how the man find them lyrics and them flow. The bad. I'm a song. Yeah, man, I'm a song, man. So I like the current crop of youth. Them I do them thing and them soon find the formula if bring them on that international level. Me think Skilly Bang do it, Nicky them appreciate it enough and bring him all over the world on tour and You know, so it's a good look.
So
You them do them
find the
thing.
balance between
Them soon find the balance. And thank you very much, as we said earlier. Them soon find it. But, I mean, we get it. It's a generational divide, because people are going to say, just like when me just come out, people used to say, Star, I don't understand what you say. But the kids, them, they love it. But the people, them, would say them don't understand, them come from the 90s, and we get that.
Okay.
And me's also coming from the 90s as it relates to me being a student of the music and a fan. So as you gotta always have that when the paradigm shift, man. You know, like with parents, them typically not like the song where we listen.
Right.
But for them grandparents our grandparents never like the song where our parents listen. Just something like that. But you them do them things still, man.
Okay, but you know, under the quiet, they be listening. Like even the nice uppity town type of people, they be listening.
Not
to Vybz Kartel
everybody
under the
listen
quiet.
Kartel.
You understand what I'm saying?
No, me
They
never know
acting
me
alright.
talk. I'm an anomaly. Everyone listens to me. I talk about you got the pastor them right now where I beat Kartel and them them little the earpiece, right?
I know you. No, they don't. They don't be listening to no Kartel. They be listening to Grace Chillers or
Grace
Kirk
Kartel. Kartel Franklin.
or something. You understand what I'm
That's
saying?
it, man. But yeah, man, Kartel does. You know, every now and then you have a man like Kartel forward in a theme generation. Every generation we have one. Sometimes it skip a generation too. You know, but yeah, man, that's how it go. Yeah, man.
All right, Fyah, it's 11 o'clock. Let's take a quick break and we'll be right back with the king
Fyah.
of Dancehall.